Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and we're here to do my happy planner from the 17th of January to the 23rd of January 2022. Still can't believe that's the year I'm saying. I was struggling for a theme because I've done a lot of winter type themes recently. So I had a look at the awareness days for this week, and Tuesday the 18th is Winnie the Pooh Day. So that's what we're going to do. I just want to do something light and not blue. So I've been online and I have picked up a lot of Winnie the Pooh pictures, printed them up onto sticker paper. There's lots here, there's little sayings. These are more probably Valentine's Day type sayings. I've cut them all out, but I've yet to look at how we're going to do that. That will be my to-do list. That's pretty standard that I put that on that side now. Then we do have these big ones with the beigey background. And these figures are cut out on a beigey background. That makes sense. I'm not sure against that black box, or whether I should make those black boxes a bit more beige using a distress ink, or whether the contrast is quite nice. I might try doing one with a distress ink just to see, a little one, just to see what that looks like, and then make a decision from there. If I put that down, I think there's enough on here to stain this up a little bit. This is the vintage photo. It doesn't look quite the right colour. The tea dye might be a better colour, but I want to know if that is better, and if it is, I will make the effort to stain the boxes. I think the boxes do look better stained. I'm going to make the effort then to stain all these boxes and come back when that's done. I ended up not only staining them but edging them, and once I edged them I thought if I edge everything and stain everything that's here, it will all match better. My to-do list is going to go here. I quite like this Winnie with the big balloon. I'm just going to see if there's a better one to put at the bottom. You've got him looking that way, takes up less space than the big balloon. Got him with a pot of honey. I mean, there's so many. They're all cute as anything, aren't they? I mean, all of them will go at the bottom. They're all awesome. I do like the Winnie with the big balloon, but it does, it goes right over. So I think I'm going to go for something a bit smaller. We've got that one, which takes up even less space, but is still quite large. Go with that. You never know, it might rain next week, so it might be relevant. I don't know. It's very hard to decide because they're all really good images. Bring him down a bit. Then you've got nothing at the bottom, I suppose, unless you put something else there. Could put another box there, like a must do. That might work. Or a gratitude for the week, or a word for the week. Oops, they're tipping that way. Does that matter? No, not really. Might do the box that way though. I've got longer ones. Take off the tippingness. See, this is how I cheat all the time. If I make a mistake, just cover it up with another box. Yep, I'll go long ways with that box. So I don't have anything specific to write in them at the moment. Now we have to debate what's going to go where, and maybe I can get them down a bit better. Oh, he should be like that. It's kind of cute. If I'd realised, I might have put him there. Maybe he should go in this corner. Biggish box next to him. Bring another box over. Build up a bit of a cluster. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these square ones because I do have enough of the others. Don't think I need to. That's quite nice as it is. Then you could get your Winnie with the balloon. So I think we've got a lot of Winnie there. That is actually really sweet there. I've got one just of Piglet. I could put a big box here to cover work things. Winnie sitting there. What would you have at the top though? Mostly I've got Winnies. If you had him there, you couldn't really have him there, I don't think. I think you'd need a different image. And I don't have many big images that aren't Winnie. Oh, he could be walking away from his honey, which would be unheard of. Like a little butterfly. Something like that. Maybe bring this box up a little bit higher. Or have that there. I don't mind covering up days. And something small here. and another smallish one there. I might not have enough boxes. That actually looks quite good. I might have to change what's going on this page, but I'm going to put this page down. Okay, I have 5 boxes left, and that doesn't seem too bad. So I'm going to go back to this idea of this big image down here. Take him slightly off the page because he's off the margin. I was going to have a box here. Maybe tuck it underneath and put Piglet over the top of the 2 boxes. That's quite cute. Certainly is proving to be quite an easy spread to do. Probably because I've got the larger figures again. Might move that one up there like that. So he's looking at that list. Got him sitting there with his honey. Could put a long box here. I might have to take Piglet off that one and put some honey there, but then he's sitting there with his honey. I don't think that matters. We've got a butterfly I can shove in between them. I've only got 1 sticker left. It doesn't really work anywhere, I don't think. I haven't really tried, but it's Piglet looking upwards, so I suppose he could go there. Let's pop Piglet in that corner then. Could be looking at the honey, not that Piglet likes honey. That was really quick to do. I think it was the size of the images and the size of the boxes. For me, this is plenty of space to write my to-dos and what I'm doing that week. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. It's a little bit vintage, but not too vintage. Yeah. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That is a free way you can help this channel. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. I don't just do modern planners. I do junk journaling, art journaling, ephemera making, and anything else that takes my fancy. And let me know what you think of the Winnie the Pooh Awareness Day spread in the Happy Planner in the comments below. And I will see you next time.